spicy food. So I'm really believe this was my blue. It's like a possible young female cardinal there. It's not so bright. The female cardinals are kind of dull colored. Red cardinals are the males. And I have my assistant bird watcher here. Who's just dream on. Dream on, Bob. Dream on with those birds. Because you're not getting any. Anyway, this is what probably is the best part of my day. Just to decompress. Watch nature. Oh, more birds roaming. They're fighting for the food. Big birds will come in here and cardinals or the blue jays, they'll bully the little birds, but then the ravens or the crows come in and they bully them. And just nature. Basically nature.